to my channel. It is bright and early. I literally just woke up like 45 minutes ago and slapped on makeup as quickly as I could because I have so many things to do today. I want to catch you guys up on my life, give you guys a few life updates, and get the day rolling. Update is my moving update, and honestly, it's quite underwhelming, but I still want to tell you guys, fill y'all in on what is going on. So for the longest time, I was actually in the process of buying a home. I really wanted to get myself a place that I can call home and have it more permanent because apartment living is obviously very temporary. But long story short, I decided against it and decided I can do that later in life. And right now, I'm very much in a transitional phase in my life, and I didn't want to like tie myself down. Honestly, it was a very, very difficult decision, which I'll get into a little bit later, and I'll talk about like crisis in your 30s, especially being single. There's so many like big life decisions that I have to make independently, and buying a home was one of those big milestones. I did istikhara and dua, and ultimately this was in my destiny. So if you guys can tell, the apartment probably looks very similar, and that's because it is. I just renewed my lease, so I'm not in the same exact unit. I just moved a couple of floors, so I'm in the same floor plan, so everything is literally the same. It's just a different floor. I'm still so excited because living on my own, I felt like I really didn't get a full taste of that within the first year. I felt like I could use another year of living on my own, and I'm very, very, very happy with this decision. I actually toured a bunch of places here in Houston. Nothing compared, because unfortunately I do really love the luxury high-rise living lifestyle, so I really wanted that. So anyways, long story short, I am in my new place. Still have a couple things still in boxes. I'm actually building this entryway table as we're speaking. I did one yesterday and I have another one to finish. I thought it was going to take so much longer than it actually did, and it's so beautiful. I got it off of Amazon and I was thinking, oh, this might be a fail, like it's not gonna be cute. Y'all, this piece is stunning, like amazing quality, so nice. And I'm using it as a shoe, what do you call it? A shoe organizer, holder, whatever. A shoe closet. A shoe closet? Is that what you call it? So I have all my shoes laid out, and I'm gonna stack up another one next to it so it's just a lot longer because I wanted more of a longer console or entryway table. So that is the project for today. Beside that, everything is pretty much still exactly the same. My furniture layout is the same as well because again, it's the same floor plan. So I really love this floor plan. It's spacious and it was just perfect. I also am working with Walmart over on my Instagram. Y'all, I found the cutest pieces. I will maybe put up pictures here on the screen. I found these beautiful white jeans from Walmart and this stunning jacket. And it looks like it's from Aritzia, but it's from Walmart, y'all. This quality is so pretty. It looks so, so nice on. Also found these ballet flats on walmart.com, which if y'all know, ballet flats are all the hype this year, and they're normally like $30, which they aren't expensive at all, but these on Walmart are 10 bucks, and they come in so many different colors. They have like a burgundy, an olive, a black, nude, so I will link this down below. I'm getting ready. I'm running so late. My mom's texting me saying, come soon, please. But I just changed into a comfy lounge set. So comfy and so buttery soft, y'all. I will link this down below. I got it in two colors. So the one on the couch was more like a muted, like pistachio color, and this is kind of like a ivory beige color. Oh my God, so cute. Like, perfect. Let me show you guys at the bottom of the pants because they're modest and they fit so well. Oh my God, so cute. I love them. Okay, anyways, I am trying on a printed hijabs today, which cancel me if you need to, but I am not a printed girly. I think they look so beautiful on everyone. Like all the hijabis look stunning. Do I look stunning in it? No. That is a problem. That's why I don't like printed hijabs. But I think the concept and the hijabs on other girls, phenomenal. On me, I just don't love it. So this one is from loll hijabs, which is the one that I prefer. If I had to wear it printed, I feel like all of the basic millennials are like, this is the one because it's a little bit more muted. But the ones that are a little bit darker, I don't know. I just feel like they don't look good on me. But my sister is fully obsessed, fully convinced, and she loves Vella. So all of these are actually hers, and she let me borrow them because I wanted to just try them out before I committed, and I just don't know. I don't feel like they're for me. You can't tell me I look good at this. But this one though, from Lala, I feel like I can make it work, but I'm also still not fully convinced. So I'm in my closet, which I haven't shared with you guys yet, but luckily in this unit, California Closets came and redid the closet. So it's still the same space, but it's more organized and I have shelving and stuff. So I just kind of, for now, threw everything in here. So I have like pajamas, sweaters, and sweats here. I have, I have sweatpants, sweaters, and loungewear here. I have all my pajamas and activewear here. And then I have just like things hung up everywhere. And then this corner right here, I have two like little bins and I have like undergarments and stuff. And that bag right there with this is a bag that I need to take back to my mom's house. If you guys have any ideas of how I can best use this space and organize it, please let me know. I was thinking of doing baskets, but I don't know. You guys can let me know. And then I have like miscellaneous there. But anyways, I'm in here to tell you guys, I think I'm gonna just put on a basic old boring neutral. So I'm thinking between these three colors because all three of these are like fall-ish and I want to be in a fall mood. This is so much more me. Like, I don't know, solids just look better on me. Or is this just in my head? I don't know. But I'm gonna quickly iron this and then I'll see you guys at the door. I want to share this before I head out because I know I'm gonna forget, but I need help so bad. I'm desperate for y'all's help. This window in my room brings in so much light in the morning, which I love for filming purposes. But like by 7 a.m., it is so bright in my room that I literally cannot sleep in till like even 8. So I got these blackout curtains from Amazon, and they're just like these paper almost, and it comes with like little sticky thingies on the back, which I put in each corner, and then I stick it on the window. It works perfectly fine. It blocks out the room so well, but it's just so inconvenient to have to rip this down every time I want to open up the shades. And I can't find anything else. If you guys have any suggestions, please let me know, but pretty much, like, I just stick it on. I like that it's so easy to put on myself, but it's just a hassle every time I want to film. I have to rip this down and then put it back up. Typically, I would put this all the way up, but I don't have time right now. So we'll deal with that when I come back. I'll run to my mom's house, but if you guys have suggestions, please let me know. The wheels on the bus go round and round, round and round, round and round. The wheels on the bus go round and round all day. I'm so hungry. I can't even explain it. Normally I eat a lot when I go to my mom's house because that's her love language and she just like cooks a whole bunch. But today my mom didn't cook, which obviously I don't mind. I think she should rest every day. Quickly making dinner. I'm making chili because honestly it's like the quickest thing to throw on the stove and it lasts for a good while in the fridge. I'm on this kick where I'm meal prepping, batch making a large portion of either lunch or dinner, and I'm storing it in the fridge for the whole week because it's just so much easier to have meals that way. Chili is all done. Honestly, I think I dried it out a little bit too much. Normally it's a little bit more liquidy, but tomorrow I think I'm going to just put in a can of tomato sauce and a little bit of water and reheat it and it should be perfectly fine. I'm going to package this up in like to-go containers or like meal prep containers. But yeah, I will link a recipe down below that you guys can follow. I'm also going to end the vlog here. I already took off my hijab, so I can't even show my face. I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. I will be vlogging more day in my life videos, take you guys along with me for like workout routines and stuff like that. So make sure you subscribe. I love you guys, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!